Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to add plot style. So to add plot style, you can type style manager, press enter, will be show for the plot style folder. Now you can copy your plot style into this folder. As example, I will copy this plot style. And the next you can copy in this plot style folder on the Draftsight. Click paste and we have this example plot style. Now to use this plot style, type plot, press enter, and then you can go to print style tables, click on drop down menu, and then you can use your plot style. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial, how to add plot style. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.